Jai Jagannath, Jai Dwarikadesh, Jai Sri Krishna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to give my talk on Somtane-Chikhli Chord Line of the Central Railway. It is no doubt a very highly visioned project of the Central Railway. Central Railway realized that actual Panvel station is facing a lot of the troubles, or while also that means giving the green signals to the freight trains. Particularly, what happens? Somtane-Chikhli Chord Line is specifically designed, or it was realized to decongest the Panvel junction, because Panvel is now going to be a very big railway hub, connecting to the connecting to the southern parts on one side and western parts on the other sides. So most of the Indian trains, including the passenger and the freights, also pass through the Panvels. And this the Somtane-Chikhli Chord Line, it was realized, and importance was also realized, and 127 crores, 172 crores were sanctioned for this the chord line. And this the chord line is 3.7 kilometers, and this is sanctions by the Indian Railways and in the Maharashtra. That is main objective to decongest the Panvel junction. And ये जब दिया गया, so thereafter actual though, because lot of things are also there, the DPR to be the made, pre-feasibility study, DPR to be the made, money sanction हो गया, tender process, all these things are also there. Now the work is going to be started soon, and it will provide what happens actual. Once it is completed, it will provide the seamless connectivity between Karjat and the Panvel routes, allowing trains to bypass the Panvel completely, because Panvel, then the trains don't also need to come to the Panvel stations, which creates the unnecessary hurdles. So once the chord line is completed, the trains can directly pass from the Karjat to Roha routes. And the chord line, it will connect Chikhli on the Karjat route and Somtane on the Roha route. And it is mostly what happens actual, it will provide the best services to many of the logistical and the logistical services, particular to the freight trains. And what happens actually, what was the problem here? It is expected that it will save at least 110 minutes, means around the 70 minutes, because a particular freight train was detained for the 110 minutes, just means to enter the Panvel and to pass through. Now imagine that actual, at least to pass the 10-15 trains, freight trains in a day, they have taken 110 minutes into that much number of the trains. So that burden will be completely free. The Panvel station will be completely free from the bottlenecks, from the drawbacks. And what happens thereafter? It will allow the more freight trains to pass directly from the Karjat to the Roha routes. And also the Panvel section can also because the freight trains can bypass the Panvel junctions, and it relieves the operational bottlenecks on the routes serving the Jawaharlal Port Trust, because Jawaharlal in Western dedicated freight corridor, just 2 months before it got operational, so many freight trains also have to pass through the Panvel, that means to the JNPT. So all these bottlenecks will be the free once that is what I can say, the Somtane and the Chikhli Chord Line is become operational. Then it decongest हो जाएगा, then it can give the lot of benefits of passing of the more freight trains, and Panvel will be the free from all the bottlenecks. Then the new link, that means once the chord line is also become operational, and the new link will increase the traffic capacity by approximately 9 million tons per annum, and it is expected by the railways 9 million tons per annum. That is the expected by the MTA. That is in the MTPA उसको बोलते हैं. That is we talk in the MTPA. And also the new line completes the other approved chord lines on the JNPT Karjat, JNPT Roha sections to create a highly efficient freight network in the Western India. Because now the Western dedicated freight corridor has become operational, so that's why actually the panvel should free from all these bottlenecks, and because all the that means the freight trains through the Western dedicated freight corridor pass to the JNPT, so through the panvel, so all these hurdles should be the out, and once this then the Somtane-Chikhli Chord Line become operational, and very soon it will be completed, and it can give a very major boost to the panvel railway junctions or the panvel stations, and it can increase more number of the freight trains to the JNPT without any hurdle, without any obstacle, and also it can bring the more revenue to the government of India, and it can prove the more efficiency of the Indian railways also. This is for today. Thank you very much.